Jefferson, it's imperative we remain together for our powers to work.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm still getting used to the whole powers thing. And now that you're adding time travel to the mix...
Do you have any idea what an extraordinary opportunity we've been given?
A chance to get murdered by an immortal psychopath. No thanks. Look, I'm a 20-year-old auto mechanic. The world is better off without me trying to save it.
I don't understand your decision, but I respect it. Perhaps I can persuade Mr. Hunter that he needs my knowledge as a physicist and not my abilities as Firestorm. So I propose we have a toast to my grand and solo adventure to saving the world.
Knock yourself out.
You took the words right out of my mouth.